Hey guys, I had a little bit of a mishap this weekend and the boat slammed into the dock and I got a little damage to my gel coat here, so I'm going to try to repair that. I've never done this before, but I thought you can tag along and see how I do it, and if it turns out great, then great. If not, then we all learn a lesson together. Yeah, so here's what we got. I assume you can see that. It just blistered out here, so I've taped off this. It's scratched here. I don't really know if that's going to buff out or not, but after the repair is done, then I'll come in and I'll try to fix some of that scratch. But we can clearly see the fiberglass there, and yeah, we'll try to repair this. So what do we have? Let's get some supplies here. So for starters, we've got acetone and a rag to clean it up. Obviously the masking tape, which we just used to mask off the area. And then we've got some sandpaper. So I bought a kit from my local boat store. We'll just say that it rhymes with best latrine. So I think it was about 40 bucks for this kit. The kit came with polyester gel paste and some tinting agents, hardening agents, and some spreading sticks and some instructions. I took a paper cup. I'm going to mix in this. The idea is to try to tint it to match. I'm going to go with just white. I don't know if this is white or off-white or what, but I don't think that there's any way in the world that I could actually match this this color, so I'm not really going to even attempt that. So first we're going to clean the area real well with acetone, and then we're going to mix up the gel and some white. I don't know what color this is. I guess it's clear, I'm not sure, but whatever's in here, we're going to add some white to it, get it white, and add the hardener, and then apply it and let it set up. It also comes with a piece of film that you're supposed to lay over it. This is right on kind of a double corner. I don't know how that's going to work, but I think it's supposed to make it nice and smooth, but I don't think I'm going to be able to really achieve that, so I'm going to have to sand it and buff it and sand it and buff it once it's cured. So we'll see how that goes. Let's get started. Okay, so this stuff is kind of a pinkish color. It smells like Bondo. Start with that. See what happens. So that did just fine. I think it's going to be just fine. I think it will be noticeable. Not much hardener. Okay. So now we'll just spread it. Work it in as best I can. I think I'll build it up. It's super hot out, so I don't know if this is It's good or bad? Okay. Now we're supposed to take this thing. And work out air bubbles. That works very well. So I'm going to tape it. Well, we may have I don't know. Alright, we'll see. Okay. So I put this on here just to shade it a little bit. It's been, I don't know, hour and a half or so. It said that it takes about an hour to cure. So let's see what we got. I don't know. It's cured. There's an air bubble there. I'm just peeled right off. Makes me wonder. Doesn't seem to be adhering to the flat part, which I guess isn't a problem. Sand it down, but see what happens here. It's coming off slowly. Now we'll apply a little bit of rubbing compound. Then we'll apply a little bit of polishing compound. Well, it's not awful. Work on it some more. I don't know. You can see it, but got a little bit of heavy scratches down here. And obviously you can see the discoloration right in here. There's 2 pinholes from air bubbles that was in the gel paste, but overall, yeah, I think that's good. Okay, it's not too bad. Looks a lot better than it did. So I just used just turtle wax rubbing compound first, and then turtle wax polishing compound, just what I had laying around. Could probably use a wet sand finer grit sandpaper and it might come out a little bit better, but I don't have any finer sandpaper. But overall it turned out pretty good. It's not the greatest job in the world, but satisfactory for this little project, and it'll help me with maybe future projects. So hope you guys found this helpful. If you have any comments, let me know, and don't forget to like and share. Thanks guys, bye.